Hello my crafty friends, it's Terry from Veegstez Creates, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made this extremely cute interactive card where you pull and reveal a lovely sentiment. So this stamp and die set that I've used are both from Heffy Doodle. The stamp set is called Highland Honeys, and these are the Loch Ness Monster and baby Loch Ness Monster, which I just thought were absolutely adorable. The lovely stencil that I've used to create the cloudy sky is my go-to favourite one, which is from Clearly Besotted. I've coloured up the images with my Copics. I did use some masking, which you'll see, and I used some Heffy tape, which if you haven't discovered it, is from Heffy Doodle. I don't work for Heffy Doodle, by the way. It's just that I've actually discovered this thing, which is just so amazing that I feel I need to share it. It's called Heffy tape, and you can use it to create masks for little critters, but it's so low tack that it actually holds your dies down and doesn't rip up your paper. And that's the only product that I've ever found out of all of the millions of low tack tapes that actually does that. So just a little heads up for you. And the die set that I used is this one from Heffy Doodle called Slider Pop-Up Dies. I've made this a speed tutorial, so you'll get to see a lot of little bits and pieces of me doing stenciling, colouring, masking, etc. As I produced this card for the Team Tiny interactive card hop, it's going to be a short video, as are all the other videos from the other participants in this hop, so that you get to hop along and join in the fun and see other interactive cards. So if you click on the hashtag, the Team Tiny Interactive Hop hashtag, you will see all of the other videos from the other members of Team Tiny taking part in the hop. So grab yourself a cuppa, sit back and relax and watch me create this super cute card. So I hope that you enjoyed seeing me create this card. It was so much fun to make, so much fun, and really relatively quick and easy, a lot quicker than you would think with a card being this intricate and detailed. So I do hope that you'll hop along with the rest of the members of Team Tiny. So just click on that hashtag and you'll be presented with all of the videos. They're all nice and short, so you can have a nice little YouTube binge while you're in bed or something, or while you're chilled out on the sofa. That's what I like to do. And just thanks for spending this time with me today. Leave me any questions or comments that you would like to in the comment section below, and I'll always get back to you, and I'll leave some links here for you in case you want to check out any of the rest of my work. So that is all from me today, and I'll see and speak to you soon with some more crafty goodness. Bye for now.